is, this is an older car with about 186,000 miles. I figured it'd be good to have this OBD2 scanner on hand just to scan it and, basically do some quick diagnostics. I will say that these tools have definitely saved me a lot of money. Recently, I had an issue with this car with the water pump, and thankfully, I actually didn't use this particular scanner. I had another one, which I will talk more. It was a ThinkCar one, but unfortunately the subscription ran out. And for the cost of the subscription, it was like 30-40 bucks. I'm like, I can get this tool. I could buy two of these, because basically this was like I think it was like $23 or $24. And I'm going to leave the link in my description for this video. But I got to say, I was looking at the reviews, and I said, you know what, I'm going to give this one a shot. So, let me show you. I'm going to unbox it, and I'm going to show you guys how it works. It's really simple to use, and I got to say, I highly recommend it. Okay guys, so this did a very quick unboxing. It comes with an instruction set, and this is the actual tool, So all you have to do, very simple, is you basically take it. First step is make sure you turn on your car, and all you have to do is plug this guy, make sure it's this side up. All you have to do is plug this into your OBD2 port. So just give me a second here. I'm just going to do it. Kind of do it one hand. And usually OBD port is right under your dash. You can feel it. In this case, I'll just show you. It's right on the bottom here. So in your car, it might be a little different location, but more or less it's usually under the dash, as you see. And what's really nice, as soon as you plug it in, if the car is on, it'll basically come up with this display screen, as you see here. And this is the ANCEL AD310. So all you have to do is hit enter, and basically it starts looking. So right off the bat, you can kind of see, it's not seeing any codes. So you can basically, it says 7EA8 engine, and I guess there's a second option, but I would do the engine one. So you hit enter. So let's say you just hit enter, and basically what you want to do is you want to read the code. So what's really cool is you can actually get live data as well. So I'm just going to show you reading the codes. So again, you could look for store codes. In this case, there is nothing. You could also do pending codes. Again, nothing. So let's go back. So let's go to the menu. And so again, if you do have codes, you can raise them, so you can do live data, which I think is pretty cool. So it goes through, and it'll actually give you all of your...
And I plugged it in, and the car on, doing its thing.
10-10 wins on 90.
All right, I've got this plugged in, and we're going to run a diagnostic here. And we've got one code found. It looks like two codes, but why does it say one code? I don't know. Let's go to that one here, read codes. And we got a mass or volume. We got a mass airflow sensor issue, and then a circuit range performance, whatever that means. Go back. Do we have any pending codes? Then we go back. Let's erase the codes. Erase trouble codes. Yes. Erase done, plus any. Okay. Oh, wow. That's interesting. Okay, we already did that. Okay. So now we got to read codes. Go back. Master airflow sensor. Okay. All right, let's go to the car. All right. Yeah, we're going to exit. There's the menu. I don't think there's any on-off switch. I think it's pretty much you turn off the car. All right, let's turn the car back on. Let's see if we get a check engine light and storing the codes. Let's just see. I'm waiting for all of that, I don't think all the lights are going to go out. Let me have to start the car. Let's see. Let's start the car. And let's see if it erased the... whoa, look at that. It erased the code. That check engine light is no longer on. Interesting. So this thing works pretty good.
This is the ANCEL AD310 Automotive OBD2 code reader. As I talk through this review, I will also be working through all the available settings on screen, so you can see for yourself if this reader has the options you are looking for. I purchased this because I was needing a quick and easy way to know which catalytic converter bank was triggering a check engine light on my minivan. It also recently came in extremely handy when I was on a road trip and I was able to identify exactly which cylinders started misfiring, clean that specific spark plug until I can get a replacement, and be back on the road without an issue in less than 20 minutes, without the need to locate a garage or a service station that would be willing to read those codes for me. Some of the features include the ability to both display in clear codes, live data reading, and live data graphing. It even has multi-language support, including English, Spanish, French, German, Russian, Portuguese, Finnish, and Dutch. My experience so far has been excellent. The scanner reads and clears codes without issue and is a great option to have on hand for anyone driving or servicing a vehicle.
No more lights.